Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to show you all how to create a truly seamless sublimation tumbler. I came across this hack on TikTok and I am excited to try it out. So y'all, if it don't work out too great, please don't judge me because practice will make perfect. Anywho, this video is brought to you by the brand Tahito and they are on Amazon. I will put the link to their product in the description. They have sent me their BrightPad, and this BrightPad is going to actually be essential in us actually achieving a seamless tumbler look. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Here is the image that I am going to be using today. I did create this in Canva. I started with a base of regular loose leaf paper, and then I just went on ahead and threw on a bunch of different doodles and writing, and all of these are presets in Canva. So the reason why I picked this image is because it has lines on the side. And I don't know about you guys, there are times that I go ahead and take down my image on my tumbler and I think I got it lined up and straight, only to find out that it was askew just slightly. Our BrightPad is going to help us get ourselves together. So let's go ahead and get on the BrightPad. So here's the front of our image, and what we are going to do is turn it over so that we could see exactly what it is that we are working with. And let me center this, which that's really not important. Now the BrightPad did come with these magnets, and it'll help us to tack down the image. And we don't really have to do that, but it is a good option to have. What we're going to do in order to help ourselves create this seamless design is just go ahead and create guidelines for ourselves by tracing the lines along here so that when we wrap around the tumbler, we will have something to line our lines up with. Fingers crossed, y'all. Okay guys, we are all done and I have created a seamless look to our tumbler. Creating the guidelines with a BrightPad did help out a great deal, but I do have to practice a little bit more, I must admit. And I'm really interested to know if anyone has tried this hack with a more intricate design, like perhaps circles or even roses, because once those ends butt together when you're doing a truly seamless design, it should be no problem with making them match up, especially if you are using a BrightPad. Now the thing I liked about this BrightPad as well is that it is rechargeable, and you can change the light. I think it's 5 different settings as far as the brightness, and so because it's rechargeable you can travel with it. And besides tracing, we can also use it to weed out intricate designs when it comes to HTV or even regular vinyl, different things like that. Alright guys, this is all I have for you today. If you have any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.